there's one.
Oh my god, look at it move.
Are they moving?
Mm-hmm.
Just bouncing around in there.
What's the other one doing? Just sitting down.
So one's kicking. And the other one is resting. He's chillaxing, yeah.
Let's see if I can get close to it.
Playing the baby Xbox.
Well, that one looks more like an octopus.
Well,
Maybe that
pretty
third arm.
sure it's human.
Hey,
There's no
Yeah,
octopi
yeah.
in there.
Yeah.
They're occupying space, but there's no otherwise.
Heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
See the heartbeat?
All right.
Wow. Oh,
And then next
There
to
you
each
look
other.
go.
him up.
There's a little roll, little kick.
Do you feel like moving?
So that right there is the head.
It is.
That would be like the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little arms.
Little
Oh my
arms waving in
God.
front of the face.
And there's the little
Yep.
feet.
The
Oh
And
rest
my
little
God.
legs down there.
So right now we're looking
It's
at
a-
one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is just
There's
one. right
one,
now.
and then
And there's
There's the
there's
other
the
one.
other.
My God, it took me a minute to like figure out where the body parts were. But then,
Mm-hmm.
oh my God, you can already see the little jaw and the little.
And that's about as much as I can get of both of them, one here and one there, in the same shot. Just can't get them,
Do you feel like kicking them?
get
Not
them
right
all in there.
now. Wow, so
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah.
Totally.
Mm-hmm.
Just still can't.